We believe in doing well by doing good. We have decided to put the vast roof spaces of shopping centers to good use and install solar plants at the retail investments of the Momentum Direct Property Fund. In support of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, our ambition to address climate change as well as reduce carbon emissions, we have cumulatively invested more than 2.1 billion from our shareholder portfolio in renewable energy projects in terms of onshore wind and solar photovoltaic. In 2020, we embarked on a solar partnership journey with Terra Firma Solutions, which is a Cape Town-based company with global interests. This means that we are already reducing 6,732 tons of CO2 emissions, which is the average annual emission of 969 individuals. More than 7,000 megawatts is being generated, which is equivalent to providing clean energy to 645 households. Our latest solar plant of 7,000 kilowatts was recently completed at our Taung Mall in the Northwest Province. Did you know that South Africa has 73% sunlight hours during the day?
South Africa is blessed with an abundance of solar resources. Solar PV first really took off in Europe. Johannesburg has plenty of sun. It's one of the top in the country.
Yeah.
The tariffs that you're offsetting here are particularly high, but really solar works anywhere in South Africa now. Terra Firma has been working at this for the last decade in South Africa, and we're fortunate to be the largest in the country at what we do. 9 years ago, everyone thought solar power couldn't pay for itself, that it was a technology that was a nice to have.
Yeah.
Today, you see it as a way to really enhance your assets, to find untapped potential and untapped revenue within your buildings, within your shopping mall, within your factory. Iris brings the roof space, the tenants, the load, and the ability for us to take our skill set and their skill set and marry the two to create an investment that is quite compelling for the shareholders.
Iris Property Group, through the Momentum Direct Property Portfolio, have invested a significant amount of time and effort in trying to find various ways to help reduce the portfolio's carbon footprint. What we found was quite unique, that renewable energy via solar happens to be the single biggest contributor in helping reducing our carbon footprint. Through a partnership with Terra Firma, we're able to create 6 solar plants throughout the country and have plans to grow this to 7 plants in the next year. Solar is quite unique. It's unique in the nature by providing unique opportunities to a fund like Momentum Direct Property. The first opportunity is obvious in providing clean energy to the grid. The second opportunity is the investment opportunity provides our current investors into our fund. What it does provide us is a substantial enhanced return for our investors for the capital that's invested into building these solar plants. The property portfolio has embraced the net zero target by 2050. We believe it's quite achievable via a combination of investment into smart technology as well as further renewables within the fund via solar. We believe it could be achievable even before 2050 should government legislation allow us to sell surplus power into the national grid.
Supporting and growing our economy at every level is a key driver of building a better future for all. Because with us, investing is personal.